What's up, guys? It's May 13th, 2024. Sideways day in the market. Had bearish price action. A good kind of a tough leg here, an alright waterfall, and then sideways again. When the EMAs start to go parallel, the market kind of goes sideways. If you think about where we are in the daily time frame, breakout above the EMA, sideways, breakout. That actually looks nasty. That looks like a double top right there. So yeah, let's get into it. Find the I'm gonna find where the sellers and buyers are and just go bar by bar. So over here, excuse me. I'm gonna mute the mic for 2 seconds. I'm gonna clear my throat. All right, so over here. Okay, and I had to catch my breath. Excuse me. Every time I start these, I start getting like hiccups, choking on water I didn't drink, so I don't even know what's going on anymore. So just look right here real quick. When I say the high, I'm gonna say the last two numbers, the last four numbers. So like if I say high, 43.25, I'll be like low. The low is 42. The close is 42.50. Things like that. When we're talking about this price action here. Bar one's really big. Try and bulls almost break out. Bulls almost tag yesterday's high, but it fails. Yesterday's high is 46 even. I'm looking right here. This candle's high was 63.25. So they came within 3 ticks of tagging yesterday's high. Bar two, good follow through. Looks like bears are shorting, bulls are not buying, even though we had a big gap up. So that's bad for the bulls, good for the bears. Bar three, looks like the bear bars are shrinking. Bears are still getting closes below previous bars, and they're getting higher, they're getting lower highs, so that's good. They're getting new lows. Small channel here for the bears. Bar four looks like a bounce off the EMA, and that maybe we have been in a bull trend from yesterday about a little bit before midday till this morning. So people might be eager to buy the EMA after they see the gap up, and I think that's that tail we see with bar four. Bar five looks strong for the bulls. That's bad for the bears because now this would initiate the first pullback because bulls have got a new high. Bears didn't make a new low, so the market's in a pullback. Bulls might think this is a continuation. Bears will try and short higher, and that bears get the short. I was selling these two bars for the double top. Bar six looks like a nice bar, but it's actually a range bar, which is not the best thing you want to see because that means there's more sellers here, more buyers here. So bulls would want a strong close here. Bears would want a bear body. Bar seven, bad follow through, doesn't get above bar six. Bar six's high is 54 even. Bar seven's high was 53.50, so they came in with 2 ticks below, right? 54, 53. Yeah, so the 2 ticks, they couldn't close above here. You'd want to see a strong close to keep going, for the bulls to keep going. There's also 3 bars, so we could see a bullish pullback. So this did get a leg two right here, leg one, pullback, leg two. The leg two wasn't symmetrical, but it was a leg one, leg two move. So it just failed because range, more bearish pressure. Although we are above the EMA, so you could scalp out if you bought this. You had time. Bar nine, not too good. This also looks like a wedge bottom here. It's a fractal wedge bottom. Bar 10 races up and sells off halfway. That makes this a range bar. Bar 11 also has a good close, but let's see where it closed at. Like, it has a good close, but didn't close above bar 10. But compared to like, there's no tail is what I meant. Not necessarily the best close because we have all these bars to the left. So the high of bar 11, 53.50. Okay, so that's a double top right here. So what I think, wait, no, it's a double top right here, right? 53.50, 53.50. This is 1 tick higher. Okay, so this is cool. So what this means is the bulls that are buying here and getting trapped, they bought more here, bought more here. Maybe they made a point or two, but they dump on bar 12. Bears see a double top, bulls get out of their trap position from buying around these highs. Market sells off. The low of bar 5 is 49.25. The low of 13 is 48. So let's compare those. 5, 49.25. So yeah, this is lower than this, right? This is 49.25 and this is 48. 49's higher, so this is higher than that. So bears are making a new low. Last 4 bars, a little bit more range bound. This could be the start of a breakout, but it gets really bad follow through. Then we go into a tight trading range for about 20 minutes. But ultimately, if you wait for 2 bar follow through, like right here, look, you catch this leg down. I caught this leg here. I went short right here, and I got out here. I got cut up once here, and then I caught it. So yeah, tight trading range, but it's also a double top. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. That was bad. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. So, oh my gosh, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Pull back leg 3. I don't know why that was so difficult. Wedge bottom, leg 1, pull back 2, pull back leg 3. There we go. Climactic, it raced down and it raced back up. I think it's definitely good to get out of shorts right there when you see this close. Market goes sideways again. Even though we're selling down, it's like a quick sell sideways for 20 minutes. Quick sell sideways. So it's not the strongest bear trend. We've had a lot of bullish pressure. Bar 27.28, I believe, is a double bottom. 43.50. 43.50. Yeah, I remember seeing that the day. Oh, did I even check? Yeah, 43.50. So this is a triple bottom. But yeah, we'll call it double bottom. So this is also a wedge bottom, that means, because that's 3 pushes down. That's a wedge bottom, not a triple bottom. The wedge bottom, bar 29, strong breakout out of the last 4 bars. I think it's a vacuum test of support, of resistance. The EMA has been acting as resistance all day. Well, not all day, but for the last hour. Bar 30, but looks like a pullback. Bulls could be taking profit at resistance, and then when they get a minor leg up here with 31, 32. Let's see, 32's high is 50 even, and 33's high is 50 even. So here we have another double top. Here's 49.75. So this traded, these two traded 1 tick higher than this, so that's not double top of them. But these two, that's a double top. Bulls that buy here, they buy lower, they get out at 50%, and this ends up being a waterfall into almost into yesterday's low. The low of this candle is 33.25. Yesterday's low is 32.75. So they almost made it. This is a nice breakout, but look at the range. Look at the day. We have a lot more range bound price action, but this breakout grows, right? So it's like a small bar, small bar, bigger, and then it gets a little too climactic. But if we could see like this bar in a row, that would be a cool sell the close rally. Like, let me see if I can find anything. The bears have not been doing too good. Let me see a bull. So kind of like right here. See how it's a little more orderly? 4 bars pull back, 3 bars pull back, 4 or 5 bars, but they're kind of even. This is getting bigger and bigger, which is nice if you can sell up here, but once you start to sell down here, you got to be very quick with your profits. You're also shorting into a higher time frame support. 45 looks like a really nice reversal bar. And then they go for leg 1, or not leg 1. A reversal is a form of breakout. So yeah, leg 1 move to break out, testing the EMA, pull back. Let's see. 52 is testing, 54 is high. So 52, the low of 52 is 40.25. The high of 50 is 40.50. 40.20, 42.50, 40.50. So this is actually higher. No, I'm tripping. I was looking at the wrong numbers. That's why it took me a second. I've been trying to look at these numbers all day. Bear with me, guys. We're almost done. It's a tight trading range. I'll wrap it up. The high of 45 is 40. No. Yeah, we want to look at the high. It's 40.50. And then the low of 51 is 40. So it did test it by 2 ticks, and then it goes up, pulls back. We get a test of the EMA, and they get 2 fractal legs right here. So here's a leg 1, opposite bar leg 2. This price action here creates a wedge top, right? Push 1, pull back 2, pull back 3. So wedge top, then the market goes into a tight trading range. I think it's good to start calling it early, around here. What did I do? So I went short here. I did good. And then all day I've been just shorting, and then I bought 53, and then 54 started forming, and I got out. I was like, I'm done. Well, I don't know why I just decided to go off the Richter scale because I've been doing good all day and then I changed what I was doing. I wasn't doing mean reversion, I was just shorting. So I just caught it. Did all right today. Hope you guys did all right. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Where are we in the higher time frames? Kind of already looked at it. We have a double bottom here, bull breakout, pull back. We have a double top here. Not a perfect double top, but it is looking pretty nasty. This is yesterday's price action. Oh, I update this chart used to be, what am I trying to say? This chart used to have extended hours on it. I changed it to regular hours because I want the 5 minute to line up with the 45 minute just to make it easy. On Friday, the 45 minute was getting tagged on the extended hours and it wasn't right here on the regular hours. And I was starting to get super confused. I was like, what is going on? So everything's just regular hours. If I want to go to extended hours, I'll just tab over for that moment. Regular hours, regular hours, regular hours. I want to see something kind of crazy. What if I added the daily EMA? Oh wait, did I add it? I thought I added it. I guess not. That Did I add this copy? Okay. Okay, whatever. I'll figure it out off the hours. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one. I drop these videos every night at 12 p.m. I just accidentally posted it one time and then just never stopped it. I just liked it. So yeah, I drop these videos every day. Check them out. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for your support. I'll talk to you later. Bye.